been a rough night. And yeah, it's been raining all night, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime today. So it's been really windy, but my tent held up really well. And yeah, I'm so happy I had that hot chocolate last night. I'm gonna get started and clean up my tent, put everything in my backpack, and then we can get started. We managed to put our tents away partly dry, let's say, but it's been beautiful since 10:30 this morning. Just before we found a cafe, we had some bacon rolls and some cookies, and also a slice of cake, fruit cake. That was delicious. That was Pennine Mills Cafe. It's about maybe 100 meters out of the way, and it's actually it's definitely worth it. This is kind of showing you the terrain we've been going through all day. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. I mean, this is still alright, but as you can see, it's full of water everywhere, and then we have to kind of make sure we don't slip. And we have to use our trekking poles today, definitely. See, this is what I mean. It's kind of a little bit different to what I'm used to, but it's really nice. It's a good challenge. And we didn't come here because we knew it was easy. We come here because we wanted a challenge. Yay! Fresh water! We just come over the hill and there's all these little small cottages. It's kind of strange. Hi guys! Next challenge. Lightning! There's a thunderstorm. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty heavy one. So guess what? I'm scared of cows and I'm scared of lightning. So we've got both. But I'm more scared of lightning than I am of cows. So I'm in a lot of luck. Let's just go. Oops. They're actually bulls. Shit. Oh. This way? This way? Alright, time to put the camera away. We're gonna run. Hi guys, we survived the storm. We were about 150 meters from Squirrelwood campsite, where we are now enjoying a nice beer. Yorkshire Ale. It's brewed really close by. It's very delicious. Hi guys, we're walking down Cowling village to get some supplies for the next stretch. It's only like 5 minutes from the campsite, so Squirrelwood campsite. It was super nice, super friendly over there. Peter had his pants ripped and they actually offered to sew it back together, which is great. And because it's his rain pants, so he'll definitely need it for the next few days. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna spend the night here, have a few beers, and see what happens. Morning guys, day 5, we're leaving Squirrelwood campsite. This is the bunkhouse. Just going outside. Show you guys the campsite. Alright, we're off. Look at the view. It's been super muddy, but it's been really good. It's been raining all day, but that doesn't bother us. It's actually nice to walk in this kind of weather, and we were planning to do 27 kilometers today. So it's good because it's not too hot. It keeps us refreshed, and we go past a few cafes, which is great. And now the next stop is coming up. It's almost 3 o'clock now, and we're gonna have some nice food or drink. See what happens. So check back later. Hi guys, we just arrived at the hostel YHA Malham. We took a taxi from Gargrave after having a drink in the pub. It's absolutely wet today with torrential rains. Thanks to the lady in the hostel, we still have a room, and we're 4 of us tonight. Gonna have a burger for dinner and looking forward to a shower, some hot food and some warm clothes.
I hope it's big enough for all backpacks and. Oh, cute.
So curious.
Good.
Yes, woohoo!
We made it.
It's good. 4 bunk beds is perfect.
Yeah. Perfect.
Hi guys. This morning we decided not to go out because the weather was kind of sucky, and yeah, so we're staying at the YHA in Malham for another day. It's been pretty good actually. We had lunch at the pub. We have been drinking a few beers last night and we had some schnapps, so it was pretty funny. We're traveling with 2 lovely Germans, and yeah, it's been good. So honestly, we feel like a family already after one day, and it's been so much fun. Yesterday we walked together all day, and it gave us so much motivation to keep going. So yeah, tonight we're staying at the YHA in Malham with the 2 German girls, Sarah and Heike. So we had so much fun yesterday, and hopefully we can get going the same way as we are now.